Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the medium pet treat in Grow a Garden Updated. Start by breaking treats into small pieces and mixing 1 cup of crumbs per quart into the top layer of soil. Water gently to help nutrients release without clumping. Check plants daily for moisture and signs of stress, and adjust amounts based on plant size and soil texture to avoid overfeeding. Prepare treats by crushing them into uniform crumbs and sifting out large pieces that may attract pests. Measure 1 cup per quart of potting mix and combine thoroughly to ensure even distribution. Keep unused crumbs in a sealed container and label with contents to prevent confusion. Work in small batches and wear gloves if sensitive to ingredients, then proceed to mix into planting soil just before potting. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, perfecto for setting timers, playing soft gardening music, and saving hands for planting. It's compact and great for any shed or porch. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one easily. Now let's get back to the video. Apply mixed crumbs to the top 2 inches of soil for established plants, and use 1/4 that amount for seedlings to avoid burning roots. Spread evenly and gently incorporate so nutrients sit near feeder roots. Water lightly to activate the treat nutrients while preventing runoff or clumping. Observe growth and leaf color over the next 2 weeks and reduce frequency if any negative signs appear to keep plants healthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.